Hello traders and investors. Welcome to Indian share market expectation and global market cues for November 3rd week series. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. So firstly, we will overlook into how the Nifty ended for the previous week. We had one public holiday as well for November 15th. So Nifty ended with 23,532, Sensex with 77,580 and Bank Nifty with 50,179. So what we can expect for the Nifty range and Bank Nifty range for the coming week, putting in the mind that we all know Bank Nifty weekly expiry has been completed by the last week. We will not have any more Bank Nifty weekly expiry starting this week. With all this, the Nifty range we can see we will be having a weekly Nifty options. So currently the Nifty is trading at 200 moving average, which is very crucial, where we can see the immediate support will be at 23,200 and the major support will be now converted to a resistance which will be 23,800. So the trading range will be 23,200 to 23,800 for this week. That is the expectation. Bank Nifty currently at 50,179. We can expect the move of 1000 point range between 49,700 to 50,700, which can be the expected range for this week. With all these things, we can see FIIs being still net sellers, where they have sold so far 29,533 crores in November series, and DIIs, even though they purchased 26,522 crores, they have not matched the FII selling, which FII selling still continues with impact of a global cues. We have an important news factor for this week, which is a G20 summit, which will be carried out on Monday. The location is in Brazil, where our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi also will be participating on this, where they will be discussing more seriously into a global geopolitical tensions as well, and shipping and GDP as well. The main discussions over here during this G20 summit will be keenly noticed, and that will be on Monday, so the market will be reacting accordingly. Next is on Tuesday, November 19th, there will be a key IPO, which is NTPC Green Energy, which is much awaited 10,000 crore public issue is going to open up a subscription on November 19th. So whoever expecting for participating in the IPO can take advantage of it. There will be a data for the US building permits will be released for the month of October. Data on November 19th will be released. On Wednesday 20th November, UPL, which is one of the key stock in Nifty Next 50, is planning to consider for the rights issue. So rights issue is always beneficial for the investors. So whoever having the UPL, please take a note on this. UK inflation data will be expected on November 20th. So they will be expecting a rise in the UK inflation after being low for the previous 2 years. So November 21st, there will be a key IPO listing, which is Zinca Logistics Solution. So the grey market is indicating currently 273 rupees. We expect the stock will be opening with no major higher side or down, will be opening flat. So that is the expectation in the current grey market for the Zinca Logistics. US jobless claim data will be released on this date. Also existing home sales data will be released. For November 22nd, India Manufacturing Service PMIs will be released. Also the same day, there is a PMIs for Euro area, UK and US also will be released. So we have two technical calls for this week, which is MFSL, the current stock, which will be the entry price will be 1212 to 1216 range. Currently the stock is trading at 1236. You have to wait for the entry level for this. So we can expect a range of 1300 to 1350 as a target with 9.14% potential of upside, with a stop loss of 1170, which is 5% downside. So the analyst is Manish Shah, is the reference for this stock. The next call is Geofin. Entry price is 312 to 317.5. Currently the stock is in this range. The target price will be 330 to 340. Expected a high potential of 6.43% with a stop loss of 305, which is 3.10% on the downside. So the analyst is BK Training for this stock. Coming to commodities, we see the gold is still going down. So the range, it is still down, and also crude and Brent crude is also trading. The crude is trading at the range of 67, which is at the crucial support. Brent crude as well at $71. So with all geopolitical tension, crude also getting impacted. Considering, keeping in the mind Wednesday 20th November, it will be an Indian public share market holiday based on the Maharashtra state election. So considering all these factors, please plan your positions accordingly. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.